No, it's not going to slow down sales. You're still going to get the same amount of everything, you know.
I was thinking of having friends buy a particular product, different products on the store. Once they receive said product, they just leave a positive review to kind of boost the analytics.
It's great. Just keep bulk listing like 100 a day, and then snipe anywhere from 10 to 50 plus, and I think you'll see some great results. Yeah.
How do you get the points from joining the meetings here? How does that process work?
You apply on the website. It's in post to earn. There's like a section on the dashboard that I showed you.
Uh,
And on the
Post to
left
earn.
hand,
Okay.
yeah, it's on your dashboard, and it's on the left hand side. There's a post to earn, and then you just say like in the description, just put the meeting date, like whatever today is. And if you're applying for last week's meeting, put the date for that meeting, because you can only do once a day, but it's just so they can keep track of when you're actually applying for the credits, kind of thing.
Hey,
Okay.
boss,
That makes sense.
boss man, I put a screenshot in the chat there.
Hmm. Beautiful. Yeah, right in the chat of this, if you want to just click on that.
Bet I see the screenshot now. Appreciate y'all on that one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just
Oh,
just do it right after the meeting, and you'll get them by the end of the weekend.
cool. And I want to talk about TrackerBot. When it comes to like when I first used it, I encountered an incident where I accidentally put the wrong tracking on the wrong item. There wasn't a way for me to delete said listing to kind of reinstate it. So, is there any way I can talk to TrackerBot support, or have y'all encountered issues like that before, where you accidentally kind of put the wrong tracking on the?
So what you'll do actually is you'll unmark that item as shipped, and right afterwards just remark it and then add the proper. I mean, you'll technically kind of get a late tracking defect, but that doesn't slow down sales or anything. But I've had it in the past because, like I said, I started with just TrackerBot, no Ecom Sniper,
Mhm.
and I had to fully learn TrackerBot before anything. And yeah, that's how you do it. You would just pretty much unmark it, like how you marked it as ship, unmark it as ship, and then it's gonna delete that tracking number off that item, and then you just
Mhm.
then re-add the right one.
Okay. Cool. Cool. And it won't be that much of a negative impact in terms of your eBay store.
No, it's not gonna slow down sales. You're still gonna get the same amount of everything. And it's
Um.
it's always fixable. The track it like that's pretty much just like item doesn't get shipped on time. We all get that. But since we sell so much stuff, it never really is an issue. It instantly the next month goes right back up to 99.9 or whatever it is. We're all considered top rated sellers just because of the amount of volume that we sell.
Um. In the beginning, I'm thinking in my first week of Ecom Sniper right now, so far I've done about 6 sales.
Nice.
Gonna start scaling a little bit. I was thinking of having friends buy a particular product, different products on the store. Once they receive said product, they just leave a positive review to kind of boost the analytics on the eBay store. Has anyone
Yeah.
tried that before? Or is that like a smooth idea? Like, will there be any
Yeah.
negative?
Technically, you could, send your friend a bunch of money and buy a bunch of cheap ass items off your store. It works.
Yeah. Can't really link that behavior together, so I've done that before to warm up. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I was thinking about doing that, and I was trying to make sure that I wouldn't run into any kind of hurdles or problems. You know what I mean?
No, as long as you got the resources to do it, and you know what I mean, you're gonna have the money to. Because, like I said, they hold your money for a little bit, so it's like as long as you got the money to do that, you're fine, bro. Keep
Cool.
on dishing out for like at least 2 weeks until the payouts start coming.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Bet that. I'm just trying to get that account warmed up right now a bit faster. Kind of get things rolling.
Yeah. So you just started this week. You got your first 6 sales. That's awesome. Have you kind of been just following the 90-day like roadmap? Have you just been bulk listing or
So far,
yeah.
I've just been bulk listing. Yes, I haven't really done any sniping
Yeah, I explained we just spoke like yesterday, the day before, but I pretty much explained how the competitor research. He wasn't using competitor research, and I told him for the first month I was just posting random garbage items, you know,
Yeah.
and yeah, you know, competitive scanner is a big part of it, you know. Like that's the difference, like I said, between posting garbage items and hot fire, you know, stuff that's already selling every day. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Sorry, what were you saying?
Oh no, I was gonna say, yeah, I started working with that tool yesterday. I'm gonna dive in deeper today some more once we get off this Zoom call. Because I forgot to do my bulk listing yesterday, so I'm gonna make up for today. Post about 100 in bulk, and then probably like 50 snipe items just to kind of
Nice.
boost up what I
Nice.
didn't do yesterday.
Yeah.
So far I'm loving it. The
Good.
process is very split stream, very the more I use it every day, the easier it gets, you know, a lot of repetition with it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Does the software automatically update when they drop, or do we have to go in and do it ourselves?
I believe, yeah, we need to go in, just re-download the new version, and then you can just open up that zip file and just put it into where the extension is on your device, and it'll just refresh in Chrome.
Yeah.
And please make sure you save your image template and whatever else that is on your profile, like your blacklist, because it does get reset.
Gotcha.
Mhm.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, awesome, man.
If you have
So,
items on the bulk lister, you could literally just copy that whole list, put it on a notepad, write down what number you're at, and just continue, you know, once it's updated. So
Smooth.
awesome. So yeah, I like where you're at, man. It's great. Just keep bulk listing like 100 a day, and then snipe anywhere from 10 to 50 plus, and I think you'll see some great results. Yeah.
So that I'll be in tune next week, of y'all to break down how the second week went.
Good. Yeah. Hope we're able to help. Do you have like any other questions that you want?
Not as right now. I'll be in touch with the different models on the Discord in case something does come up.
Good.
But for the most part, loving it. I'll stay consistent with it, and I'll keep you updated on how it's going.
Awesome. Well, great, man. Have a great weekend then. It's great speaking to you.